My name is Ram Badrinathan. I'm with VDEC. We are a boutique and analytics company focused solely on the travel, tourism, hospitality industry, particularly the integration of travel and technology. So obviously, as a sector as a whole, the travel, tourism, hospitality is one of the few sectors that's been hit both on the travel demand and the supply side. And the supply side, absolutely, revenues have come to zero, and demand is also zero. So it's perhaps the only industry which has been hit both sides. From the research perspective, obviously there is a greater need for visibility. People are more curious, want to understand more what is happening, but obviously the ability to pay has kind of come down exponentially. So there is an opportunity, but there is also the challenge in terms of how to generate revenues in this current environment. From a research perspective, we are seeing, we are busier than ever, but obviously from a revenue challenge, from a sector challenge, it is going to take, I believe, from a travel industry, it will take 6 to 12 months for some kind of normalization to happen. International travel will take at least 3 months to starting picking up, but I would say overall the normalization will take place for not before next year. There were two I have in mind. One is a immunity booster shot, which will ensure that you can fight it naturally. The other is some kind of a device that immediately tells you who is COVID positive around you. My old boss at Focusrite, Lorenz Serio, had said that travel industry has some of the nicest people working for it, and that I believe is true. It's an industry which generally attracts good people. I would say Bali. I have very fond memories of Bali, and I think it's aesthetically and culturally beautiful. I would pick experiences and sustainability. I think both are intertwined. I believe hopefully that sustainability and conscious travel will become more important than just mass travel, which creates a lot of waste and consequences as a result of this. We've been at the core of travel and technology for the last decade. I have been involved personally in the last 20 years looking at the intersection of travel and technology. Our entire company operates through all kinds of platforms, CRM, whether it's email, exchange, communication, conferences. Everything happens through platforms and technologies. So it's at the core of what we do. I would say think of a solution that is not immediate, that has a 12 to 24 month applicability, and which is around also sustainability is my point. How can we bring new eco and conscious practices into travel now that we have an opportunity? Join the Travel Scrum hack and design for the future.